It looks like you are in heaven. The movie called The Beach, they use the Maya Bay as the location, so we make it more popular.
Until recently, 3,500 people visited the beach every day. In those crowds, it felt a lot less like heaven, so the authorities shut it down.
Percentage of living coral before we close it is only 8%. So you can see that it's been a very serious condition.
So can paradise be saved? Eight months after the closure, I was able to visit Maya Bay to find out how well it's recovering. We crossed the line, keeping out the boats, and approached the national park staff on the beach.
นักข่าว BBC ครับ
โอเคให้จอดตรงไหนได้คุณพี่ไม่คือว่าจอดตรงนี้อ๋อจอดตรงนี้ใช่ไหม
What a great privilege this is to be on one of the world's most perfect beaches and to have it pretty much to myself. But what we don't know is how long this splendid isolation is going to last. The Thai authorities have got to find a balance between the needs of marine life, some of which, like coral, needs years to recover, and the demands of local businesses and all those people on the boats out there to allow visitors back onto the sand.
So tourists can only view the famous beach from a distance. For those who've travelled across the world, I suppose, it must be a disappointment.
So what do you guys think about the fact that you can't actually go there to Maya Bay?
I think that probably there is a good reason because people destroyed this beach before us, and because of this we cannot go inside.
Yeah. So do you mind the fact that you can't actually go and see it, go and see the beach?
It's I think it's better.
So we're about to go into the water here at Maya Bay. This is Kun Song. He's one of the divers who's checking on the health of the coral that they've replanted in here ever since they shut it down.
เหมือนทดลองอะครับโอเคมันสามารถอยู่ได้อยู่รอดแล้วก็จะดูว่ามันเป็นชนิดไหนพันธุ์ไหนที่มันอยู่รอด
Back in Bangkok, I went to meet the man who really raised the alarm over Maya Bay.
Aware of environmental issues, but that seems to be changing.
Yeah, you can see that the big change.
Are there indications that Maya Bay is recovering?
Yeah, we have 60 shark. Before we have 0 shark. And it's the nursery ground. We have the evidence that at least 3 mother shark get a baby born in the bay. Take a break. Give Mother Nature a chance. And you will be proud of your generation that you left something for the next generation.